applause, please. Thank you.
What's frustration? As human beings, we are frustrated sometimes as a colleague, when you have some troubles with your colleagues. Some materials are also frustrated in some specific condition. The origin of frustration in materials are tiny magnets called spins in the material. As magnet properties, north and north repels, but north and south attracts each other. When the magnets are located in a specific situation, they are continuously repelling and attracting and can't be stable. This is called frustration, technical term. So the potential application of frustration is quantum computer, which is enormously powerful and sometimes 1 million times quicker than the current digital computers. For quantum computer, in addition to 0 or 1 in digital computer, intermediate state between 0 and 1 called superposition is important. In order to apply the frustration to the quantum computer, we need to control the frustration. How do we control? What would you do when you're frustrated with your colleagues? One of the most effective ways is make the physical distance between them longer. Let's apply this scheme for the material. This is a real graph of frustration as a function of average distance of magnets. The longer and longer distance, the frustration becomes smaller and smaller. So we can control the frustration. But practically, how do we control the tiny distance in the material? The answer is doping. Doping takes some medicine and make people stronger. But in materials, doping is add some chemicals and change the properties of material. And this is the material, experimentally, the material that I'm working on, called lithium copper antimonide. And copper has a magnet part. And this is a crystal structure. And it looks very complicated. But once we focus on the magnet part, it's very simple, because it's just the line of magnet. By doping magnesium, which doesn't have a magnet part, into a copper side, which have a magnet part, change the distance of magnets. This is a graph that I could successfully control the distance by doping. The more and more doping, the distance becomes longer and longer. Therefore, the combination of this relation and the relation, we can control the frustration. Therefore, the understanding of quantum frustration solve our human beings' frustration by creating very powerful quantum computer. Thank you for your attention.